It is a great satisfaction to greet you again. I hope you and your pet are well. Today we will talk about the following. Why does my dog hump me? Dogs do strange things, and sometimes it can be a mystery what's going on inside their little heads. Mounting is a common behavior that owners observe. What can it mean? Is your dog always horny? Or can it mean other things? 1. Sexual behavior. First, let's get the obvious out of the way. Mounting their owner, other dogs, or even inanimate objects, can very well be sexually motivated behavior, though it usually only happens if your dog is intact, meaning not neutered. Sexually motivated mounting is more common in male dogs, but can also occur in intact females. Male dogs that have smelled females in heat may be more likely to do so. Neutering tends to stop sexually motivated mounting behavior, but may not stop all forms of mounting. 2. Social cues. Sometimes dogs mount each other to demonstrate dominance, not in the mythical alpha sense, but as a form of social communication. Typically, the older dog tends to mount the younger, although less dominant dogs may also mount the more assertive ones. This can happen with owners, too. This form of behavior can become problematic if your dog tries to mount other dogs you don't know. It could cause consternation in the other dog's owner, harm the other dog, or even result in aggression and fighting. If your dog is particularly prone to mounting for status reasons, try to minimize his access to other dogs you don't know. 3. Excitement and play. Excitement and play are not uncommon causes of mounting, especially in young puppies. They may not even be specifically mounting, but simply jumping up at you in a similar manner. Often, mounting is a sign of overstimulation and shows that it's time to calm down the fun. Dogs may also mount each other as a form of play. Again, keep in mind that other dogs may not see your dog's playful mounting as such, so be careful about letting him do it with unfamiliar dogs. If you notice the behavior is becoming excessive, try finding other forms of entertainment that your dog enjoys. 4. Stress. Many dogs get stressed and need to relieve that anxiety somehow. Some dogs mount to calm themselves down. This is a common reason dogs mount strangers. They are anxious about the arrival of a new dog, so they try to calm themselves down as best they can. Other changes in the house, such as a new person or pet, changes in routine, or loud noises, can also trigger stress mounting. Owner mounting is also seen when dogs need attention or are bored. These are forms of stress, so if you suspect your dog is mounting you out of boredom, it may be time to go for a walk. 5. Illness. Some forms of mounting may actually be a sign of illness. These are the ones your vet will want to rule out before addressing the more complicated behavioral reasons for inappropriate mounting. Skin conditions, such as irritation, fleas, mites, allergies, and hypersensitivities or wounds in the groin area can cause your dog to punch and mount, while trying to soothe the area. You may also see them rubbing themselves on objects such as toys or the carpet, or licking and scratching themselves. Any skin lesions should be examined by a veterinarian. Priapism is a condition that occurs in male dogs that causes persistent erections without any sexual drive. If your dog mounts with an erection that won't go away, particularly if he's already neutered, talk to your vet right away. Similarly, prostate pain can also cause mounting in males. Lastly, mounting can rarely be a sign of urinary disease, such as urinary tract infections. How to prevent this behavior? Your first choice should be your veterinarian to perform a complete exam and rule out diseases that cause this behavior. If your dog is intact, he or she may also recommend neutering, which could reduce the mounting behavior. Once these factors are ruled out, talk about the triggers for his behavior and how they should be corrected. Do not punish bad mounting behavior. It is not effective training and can worsen anxiety, resulting in more mounting. When he begins to mount, get his attention by calling his name and find something to distract him. It is best to reward good behavior with petting, treats, and praise. It is a pleasure to inform you and help you. If you have not subscribed to the channel, you should do it now. Take care of yourself and your furry friend. A hug, and until the next video.